Hello and welcome to Film Companion South. You're watching our Tolly Review. My name is Hriday Ranjan. This week's release is Check, starring Nitin, Rakulpreet Singh, and Priya Prakash Warrior. The film is directed by Chandrasekhar Yeleti. Check tells the story of Aditya, a con artist who is serving time in the death row, falsely implicated to a death sentence for his role in a terrorist attack. In the jail, he meets a former coach who is obsessed with chess, and Aditya turns out to be a genius at the sport. The film, directed by Chandrasekhar Yeleti, whose films over the last 2 decades are fondly remembered by fans. He is a director who makes compelling thrillers held together by some gentle moments. With Check, the director goes for a 2-in-1 strategy by fusing together a thriller and a sports drama. A thriller requires a consistent mood, and a sports drama rides on an emotional journey with the protagonist. Unfortunately, in attempting to reach a middle ground, the film does not create an atmosphere to suck you into its world. It doesn't help that the production design gives the film a sense of being extremely staged, or the general treatment which is completely over the top. Take for example the dialogues. Every character you meet in the film speaks in complicated metaphors and analogies. Con men, coaches, petty criminals, policemen, they are all mouthing off Sanskrit slokas, something that sounds untrue to their characters. The other problem with the film is in its overall tone. Director Chandrasekhar Yeleti's films always featured wonderful comedy scenes. In an era when laughs were gathered by slapping comedians, his films had organic setups. All this is missing in Check, with only Harshavardhan coughing up a few laughs. What we get instead are asinine details like characters singing Ramulo Ramula in 2019 and a chess player named Martin Guptill.
Please, welcome to the interview. So, tell me about yourself.
Aham Brahmasmi.
Oh, okay, Mr. Brahmasmi. Tell me about your family.
Matu Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava, Megastar Deva Bhava.
Atiti Mahesh Babu Deva Bhava Kudana? Anyway, moving on. 5 years from now, where do you want to see yourself?
Manasekam, Vachasekam, Golflekam, Durgam Cheru Lekam.
Congratulations, Mr. Brahmasmi. We will never get back to you.
Uddham Sharanam Gachami.
Yeah, gachami.
The film's casting leaves you puzzled as well. Priya Prakash Warrior features in a wink and you miss her role. The rest of the cast like Sampath Raj and Murli Sharma and Kartik Ratnam are too busy sounding like Vishwamitra and Vashishta to have any real impact. Chess is a really unique sport. For a sedentary sport, researchers have shown that a chess player could burn 6,000 calories in a tournament. When chess is used in the Queen's Gambit or Shatranj Ke Khiladi, the sport is a metaphor for the glass ceiling or a decaying kingdom. But with Check, we are never shown the nuances of the sport. What makes Aditya so good at his sport? For all you know, they could have been playing Ludo, Snake and Ladders. What are the strategies that make him go from a newbie to a grandmaster? We are never shown that. Instead, we see him winning everything he touches, and valuable screen time is spent in pointless action sequences. I wanted to see Bobby Fischer, I ended up seeing Bobby Deol. Unfortunately, the film shows you nothing about chess strategies or moves.
Your move.
Okay. Your move.
Acha. Your move.
Hrithik move.
Yes.
Your move.
Oops. Painful move. Check. Mate.
Rakulpreet Singh plays a lawyer who is never shown to do any lawyering, and it makes you wonder if she got through using management quota. The rest of the cast are so one note, they end up seeming like mere pawns in the game. Nitin is saddled with the task of walking a tightrope and leaves you unmoved by the end of the film's runtime. By the time the film pulls its socks up, as a viewer, you are too drained and unattached to the film and its characters. The film Check is largely disappointing, and doubly so for me because it seems like in recent times, original filmmakers like Mohan Krishna Indraganti and Chandrasekhar Yeleti seem to be watering down their originality to appeal to the larger masses, and that is honestly kind of sad. With a heavy heart, I'll have to admit that this Check has bounced. Thank you so much for watching our review of the film Check. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to Film Companion South by pressing the bell icon wherever it is.